Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Have you ever eaten a snack and felt hungry again just a few minutes later? It is a common problem. You grab a handful of chips or a cookie, it tastes good for a moment, but soon your stomach is rumbling again. You are left feeling unsatisfied and looking for another bite. This frustrating cycle can make it hard to manage your energy and your hunger throughout the day. This year, in 2025, I decided to try something different. I committed to eating a good source of protein with every single meal and every snack. The interest in protein is not just a passing fad. It is a response to a growing understanding of what our bodies need to thrive. Protein is one of the three main nutrients our bodies use for energy: carbohydrates, fats. But it does so much more than just provide fuel. Think of protein as the essential building block for your entire body. It is responsible for repairing tissues, building strong muscles, keeping your bones healthy. It is a key player in almost every process that happens inside you. This nutrient is also crucial for a strong immune system. The antibodies that help your body fight off infections and illnesses are made of protein. Protein also helps create hormones, enzymes. As we get older, getting enough protein becomes even more important. One of the most immediate benefits you might notice is that protein helps you feel full and satisfied after a meal. A meal rich in protein takes longer to digest. This slow digestion process helps to stabilize your blood sugar levels. This is why a breakfast with eggs can keep you feeling full all morning. A sugary pastry might leave you searching for a snack by 10 a.m. A report from the International Food Information Council in 2024 showed that over 60% of people are actively trying to eat more protein. This trend has been growing steadily since 2019. The idea was simple: make protein a priority. Instead of just thinking about what was quick or easy, I started to ask, where is the protein in this meal? This question guided my choices from breakfast to my last snack of the day. This essay is the story of that experiment. It is about what I learned, what worked, and how you can try it too, without making your life complicated. Food companies have noticed this trend. Over the past 5 years, from 2019 to 2024, we have seen an explosion of products marketed as high protein. Report examples from Cargill. Report examples from Friesland Campina. You can now find protein-fortified yogurt, bread, snack bars, ice cream. People are looking for easy ways to add more protein to their diets, and the market is responding. This makes it easier than ever to make protein a central part of your daily eating habits. My journey was an exploration into one of the biggest food shifts of our time. It was a personal test to see if the hype was real. Could something as simple as adding protein to each meal truly change how you feel? Could it help you stay full longer, feel more energetic, and build a stronger body? The answer, I discovered, was a clear and resounding yes. To understand why protein is so effective, it helps to know a little bit about what it is made of. Proteins are large, complex molecules made up of smaller units called amino acids. Think of amino acids as individual Lego bricks. Your body can build thousands of different types of proteins by arranging these bricks in different ways. Some of these amino acids are called essential amino acids. This means your body cannot make them on its own, so you must get them from the food you eat. This leads to an important distinction between different types of protein sources. We often talk about complete and incomplete proteins. A complete protein contains all 9 of the essential amino acids your body needs. Foods from animal sources, like eggs, dairy products, meat, fish, and poultry, are all complete proteins. Whey, casein, which are proteins derived from milk, are also excellent complete sources. For those who eat plant-based, soy products like tofu and edamame are fantastic complete proteins as well. Incomplete proteins, on the other hand, are missing one or more of the essential amino acids. Most plant-based foods, such as beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, and grains, are incomplete proteins. However, this does not mean they are inferior. You can easily get all the essential amino acids you need by eating a variety of these foods throughout the day. For example, eating rice and beans together creates a complete protein profile. your body is smart enough to combine the amino acids from different meals to get what it needs. So, when you are planning your meals, the goal is not to worry too much about combining proteins at every single sitting. The most important thing is to include a wide variety of protein-rich foods in your diet overall. Whether you choose whey protein powder in a smoothie, a hard-boiled egg for a snack, a chicken breast for dinner, or a bowl of lentil soup for lunch, you are giving your body the fundamental tools it needs to repair, build, and thrive. Variety is truly the key to a healthy, protein-rich diet. So, what does a day of eating with protein at every meal actually look like? It is much simpler and more delicious than you might imagine. The goal is to aim for around 20 to 30 grams of protein at each of your main meals. For breakfast, you could have 2 scrambled eggs with a slice of whole wheat toast, Greek yogurt topped with a handful of almonds and berries. Both breakfasts give steady energy and keep you full, a big improvement over a simple bowl of cereal. For lunch and dinner, think of protein as the anchor of your plate. Grilled chicken breast, salmon fillet, lean steak, lentils, firm tofu, hearty bean chili. Build the rest of your meal around that anchor. Large serving of colorful vegetables. Healthy fats, avocado. Complex carbs, quinoa. Complex carbs, sweet potato. Snacks are where many people fall short, but it is easy to make a change. Instead of reaching for pretzels, try a handful of nuts, or a small container of cottage cheese. A hard-boiled egg is one of the most convenient and portable protein snacks you can find. A quality protein bar can also be a good option when you are on the go, but be sure to read the label and choose one with minimal added sugar. Even a simple glass of milk provides a good amount of protein to tide you over between meals. The idea is to be prepared. Having these simple, protein-rich options ready to go makes it easy to make a good choice when hunger strikes. You do not need to cook elaborate meals. Can of tuna. Scoop of protein powder for a quick shake. Pre-cooked chicken strips. It is about making small, smart additions to what you are already eating to ensure every meal and snack is working harder for you. And soon, I will share 5 incredibly simple meals that make this even easier. Adding a significant amount of protein to a meal does not require a complete overhaul of your eating habits. In fact, one of the easiest ways to boost your intake is through a simple food swap. Let's take a common lunch, a simple garden salad with a light vinaigrette dressing. While this meal is healthy and full of vitamins, it is very low in protein. Here is the swap. Add 3.5 ounces, about 100 grams, of grilled chicken breast to your salad. This single addition provides approximately 20 to 25 grams of high-quality, complete protein. This simple change turns your light salad into a powerful, muscle-repairing, and incredibly filling meal. The added protein will slow down digestion, keeping you feeling full and energized throughout the afternoon. It prevents the post-lunch slump that so many people experience after a carbohydrate-heavy meal. This strategy works with many other foods as well. If you enjoy a bowl of oatmeal for breakfast, you might find yourself hungry before lunch. Instead of just making it with water, try making it with milk and, stirring in a scoop of whey protein powder. Stirring in a scoop of casein protein powder. This can easily add 20 grams of protein. Or if you love pasta for dinner, consider swapping traditional pasta for a chickpea-based pasta. Swap traditional pasta for a lentil-based pasta. These alternatives can pack over 20 grams of protein per serving, turning a simple carb dish into a balanced meal. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity. You are not learning a new recipe or buying a dozen new ingredients. You are taking a meal you already enjoy and making one small, powerful adjustment. This makes the habit of eating more protein sustainable and easy to adopt. Finding these simple swaps in your own diet is the key to unlocking the benefits of protein without feeling overwhelmed. It is about working smarter, not harder, with the food you eat every day. If you are finding these tips useful, stick around, because next I will share the top 5 high-protein meals you can start cooking this week for energy, muscle, and metabolism. Mistakes to avoid on your protein journey. As you begin to focus more on protein, it is important to be aware of a few common mistakes. The first is thinking that more is always better. While protein is essential, your body can only use a certain amount at one time. Consuming excessive amounts of protein can put a strain on your kidneys and may lead to other health issues. It is better to spread your protein intake evenly throughout the day, rather than eating one enormous protein-heavy meal. This allows your body to use it more efficiently for muscle repair and other functions. Another common pitfall is relying too heavily on processed protein sources. Protein bars, shakes. Processed meats can be convenient, but they should not be your only sources. Many of these products are high in sodium, sugar, and unhealthy additives. A 2023 review in RSC Publishing highlighted the importance of whole food sources. It is always better to get your protein from whole foods like chicken, fish, eggs, beans, and lentils whenever possible. Use processed options as a backup for when you are in a hurry, not as the foundation of your diet. It is also easy to become so focused on protein that you forget about everything else on your plate. A balanced diet is about more than just one nutrient. Forgetting to eat enough fiber from vegetables, fruits, and whole grains can lead to digestive issues. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil are also crucial for hormone production and overall health. Finally, do not forget about hydration. When you increase your protein intake, your body needs more water to help your kidneys process the byproducts of protein metabolism. Getting the balance right. Achieving the right balance on your plate is the secret to a successful and sustainable high-protein lifestyle. It is not about eating only chicken breasts and egg whites. A truly healthy meal is a colorful and diverse one. A good rule of thumb is to fill half of your plate with non-starchy vegetables. Quarter protein, quarter carbs. Think broccoli, spinach, bell peppers, zucchini, leafy greens. These foods are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Fiber aids digestion. Fiber works with protein to help you feel full. The next part of your plate should be your protein source. This should take up about a quarter of your plate. Grilled fish, tofu, black beans. The final quarter of your plate can be dedicated to a complex carbohydrate: quinoa, brown rice, sweet potato, whole grain bread. Healthy fats should also be included in your meals. Drizzle olive oil, slices of avocado, handful of walnuts. Fats are essential for absorbing certain vitamins and for keeping your cells healthy. Protein, fiber, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates will provide everything your body needs to function at its best. Satisfied, energized, nourished. This balanced approach is the key to long-term success. Remember, this is a guideline, not a strict rule. Some days you might eat more carbs, other days you might eat more fats. The important thing is to be mindful of creating a balanced plate most of the time. Now, to help you put this all into practice, here are 5 incredibly easy and delicious high-protein meals you can try this week. These recipes are simple, quick, and perfect for anyone just starting their protein journey. They prove that eating well does not have to be complicated or time-consuming. 5 easy meals to get you started. Here are 5 simple protein-packed meals that you can make this week. They require minimal cooking skills and use ingredients that are easy to find. 1. Quick chicken and veggie stir-fry. This is a classic for a reason. Cut 1 chicken breast into small pieces, sauté in sesame oil. Toss in a bag of frozen stir-fry vegetables. Add a splash of low-sodium soy sauce. Cook until the vegetables are tender. Serve over a small portion of brown rice. This meal is incredibly fast to make on a busy weeknight and delivers a great balance of protein and vegetables. 2. Loaded sweet potato. Bake a medium-sized sweet potato until it is soft. While it is baking, heat up a can of black beans in a small pot. Once the potato is ready, slice it open and mash the inside a little bit. Top it with the warm black beans, a generous dollop of plain Greek yogurt, a sprinkle of chopped cilantro. This plant-based meal is full of fiber and protein and is incredibly satisfying. 3. Simple salmon and asparagus. Place a salmon fillet on a baking sheet lined with foil. Drizzle it with olive oil. Season with salt. Season with pepper. A squeeze of lemon juice. Lay a handful of asparagus spears next to the salmon. Bake everything together in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for about 12 to 15 minutes. This elegant meal feels fancy but takes almost no effort to prepare and is rich in protein and healthy omega-3 fats. 4. Hearty lentil soup. This is a perfect meal to make ahead of time. In a large pot, sauté a chopped onion and a carrot. Add 1 cup of red lentils. Add 4 cups of vegetable broth. Add your favorite spices, like cumin and coriander. Let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes until the lentils are soft. You can eat it as is, or use an immersion blender to make it creamy. This soup is a powerhouse of plant-based protein and fiber, making it both filling and nourishing. As a bonus, you can find a similar recipe in all recipes. And 5. Feel free to mix and match these ideas based on what you like and what you have on hand. Your first small step. Looking back on my year of eating protein with every meal, the biggest benefit was the feeling of steady, reliable energy. I no longer experienced those distracting hunger pangs or afternoon slumps that used to derail my productivity and my mood. This single change simplified my relationship with food. I felt stronger, I felt more focused, I felt more in control of my health. It wasn't about restriction, it was about adding something powerful to my diet, and the results spoke for themselves. This simple principle can truly transform your daily life. You don't need to change everything overnight. Start with one small, manageable change. Think about the simple food swap we discussed earlier. This week, add a source of protein to just one meal where it's lacking. Add grilled chicken to your salad. Stir Greek yogurt into your smoothie. Top your morning toast with a scrambled egg instead of jam. Choose one action and commit for a few days. Notice how you feel after the change. Do you stay full longer? Do you have more energy afterward? Pay attention to these small signals. They motivate. This journey isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Every small step toward a protein-rich diet is a victory for your health. Start small. Be consistent. Enjoy fueling your body well. Sources: Cargill, Protein Trend Study, 2023. Friesland Campina, Global Trends in Protein, 2024. RSC Publishing, Food and Function Journal. Processed Foods and Health, 2023. International Food Information Council Food and Health Survey, 2024. Allrecipes.com, for general recipe inspiration. Protein isn't just for gym goers. In 2025, it's becoming the foundation of every meal, snack, and bite for health, energy, and longevity. By making smart protein choices, you'll feel stronger, more satiated, younger, and more in control of your day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell.